Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a work profile on Android. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings and you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Google. Click on the Google, and once you click on Google, you're going to see recommend all activities. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll down, right, and you're going to see set up your work profile right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to read through this and you're going to see that to finish up the setup, you will need a code from your IT admin. A management tool will be downloaded and used by the admin to manage your work profile. You click on next and make sure you get the code from your IT administrator. So it's going to start downloading and it's going to take a few minutes to actually download. And once it's done downloading, it's going to actually require to scan a code that you got from an IT administrator or a code as it said. Then you input it and your IT management manager is going to be able to access it from there. So I think this downloading is going to take a very long time to actually download. Then you see it says enroll. So I'm going to give this, or you can either just enter the code and you are good to go. Then when you click on next, you are good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get some helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.